Love you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. The Excellency Dr. Abiy Ahmed Ali, the Prime Minister of Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Excellency Dr. Lama Magarsa, the President of Oromia Regional State, Excellency Mr. Mohammed Ali, the Governor of Marsabit County, Excellency Madam Safia Sheikh Adan, the Women Representative of Marsabit County, the Oromo activist and human rights advocate, Mr. Jawar Mohammed, Honorable Abagadas, Hayus, Lichos, and all the attendants of the 17th Oromia Pastoralist Day. I want to take this golden opportunity to thank and to welcome every one of you. Today is really a unique day because for more than 150 years, Oromos have been struggling for their freedom, self-determination, and to be considered as a nation with its own history, culture, values, ways of life, and beautiful identity. To achieve these goals, Oromia has sacrificed number of lives, shedding its students' blood, and many leaders have been tortured in prisons and detentions which were owned by the government. As a result and the fruit of what Gada leaders, students, teachers, Keros and Kares, activists and liberation fronts did, today we are seeing the glimpse of light shining for our motherland, Oromia. As we celebrate the 17th Pastoralist Day, Oromia Pastoralist Day, we are obliged to remember those who are absent from us, those who never spared their precious lives and faced the hard stick of undemocratic governance. We are also forging the unity of Oromo as to never retard the achievements that came as a result of our unity. We are stronger when we are united. Honorable Justice, ladies and gentlemen, for quite long years, the Borana Zone Eastern borderland has been the hotspot for ethnic dispute and social conflict. This unstabilized the zone to the extent of hindering the peaceful existence and security of the community. So we call upon both regional and federal governments to timely settle the dispute and restore peace to the part of the zone. Today, what makes every concerned body about this land, which makes everyone cry, is Moyale is nothing less and more than Baghdad. We also need the due attention of the government to intervene in the drought-related disasters that have been exposing the Borana zone to the extreme poverty and underdevelopment. The zone lacks enough water sources, and the life of pastoralists is being degraded from day to day. We need government to pacify this and help pastoralists survive. The availability of other social infrastructures like electricity, health centers, road and telecommunications, schools and higher education institutions is less than what the residents of the zone expected and deserved. We plead to the government to reconsider the advantage it should have provided and it has already provided. To wind up my speech, I am pleased to thank our guests from Council and those who crossed the international boundary to celebrate this ceremony. I wish everybody a very eventful Oromia Pastoralist Day. Thank you very much. Yabelo welcomes you.